now we have a doorway. The plan was to remove the wall completely, but as I started today, I just decided to only make it this big because there is a supporting beam all the way over there. It should hold it by itself, but I decided I didn't want to remove these vertical beams today because I don't know how much weight is on them, so I can remove them later if I figure out that's okay, but for now this is what I got. So now I can start moving stuff into this room as well and start organizing. It's a whole mess right now, but you're now witnessing my journey towards making this into a creative space and also a place to fix stuff for the house. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to make more content as I do stuff down here. It's a bit messy right now, the place and also the way I talk, because I don't know what to say. But this is the beginning, and follow along and see how this place transforms. Boom.